Gentlemen, let's be honest here. Most dudes our age are carrying around way too much extra dead weight. And I guess what I'm talking about specifically is all of that stuff that piles up slowly and quietly in the background, and it makes parts of your life feel more heavy than it needs to be. And that's kind of why today I want to go through a list of things that you should consider trashing in 2026. The first thing that you need to trash, or at least in some cases donate, are clothes that don't fit you. If you have things in your closet right now from, 7 years ago that might fit you again someday, just let it go, man. If it's too tight, too baggy, or for whatever reason, it just doesn't feel right on your body, it's dead weight and you gotta let it go. Your clothes should fit you right now, not the you 20 years ago and not the version of you maybe a year from now. The thing is this, think about it this way, keeping clothes that don't fit is kind of like trying to hold on to those old relationships, man. It doesn't just magically get better because you want it to. And when you do finally drop that 30 pounds, you'll want to go get brand new things anyway. Another thing to trash is really any clothes that you haven't worn in the last year. This is a pretty easy rule to follow. So go ahead and look through your closet, and if you haven't worn it in the last 12 months, there's a reason for that. Now, part of that might be because it doesn't fit you, but maybe you just don't like it, or maybe it's old and outdated, or maybe it's a color that you're just not crazy about. It doesn't really matter. It's just taking up space in your closet. So donate that stuff so somebody else can actually wear it. Something else to trash is any clothing that's stained and worn out. Think about t-shirts with pit stains, stretched out necklines, anything with holes or weird mystery stains, and of course your shredded jeans. Most of this stuff, it just needs to hit the trash can anyway. Next we have old worn out shoes. Shoes say more about who you are than almost anything else that you might be wearing. So if your sneakers are filthy and falling apart, or if your dress shoes are cracked, if your boots are worn out, stop hanging on to these things just sort of out of guilt. If they're good, great. Clean those things up, but if they're garbage, get rid of them and just upgrade to something better. And then trash any old bedding and old towels. If you've been sleeping on the same yellow stained pillowcases, stained sheets, and busted up pillows for the last couple of years, now, my friend, is the time to replace this stuff. Bedding and towels absorb oil, sweat, skin, hair product, and pretty much everything else. And if you stop and think about it, kind of what you're sleeping on, it's kind of gross. And if your towels smell funny, or if they're stained, or if they're basically shredding and falling apart, it is time. Good quality towels and sheets are inexpensive on Amazon. I made a video recently showing a couple sets of sheets that I got, and also I just got some new towels in yesterday. So if you want to go check out what I got, I'll drop some of those links down below in the description. Something else to trash are duplicates of anything. So look through your kitchen and pull out duplicate kitchen utensils like spatulas or Tupperware lids that just don't match any containers. Maybe you've got multiple cheese graters or maybe multiple small appliances that maybe don't work. If you have duplicates of any of these things, just pick the best one and donate the rest. And since we're talking about kitchen utensils, trash any of your old, worn out cookware and utensils. I just had to trash 2 of my pans because the nonstick wasn't non-sticking anymore. Also look for bent utensils and chipped cups and plates. A grown man should have real plates, matching cups, and utensils that don't look like they came from a high school cafeteria. And because we're still in the kitchen right now, it's time to trash all of your expired food. Take a look through your freezer, the back of your fridge, and your pantry, because you probably got some pretty ancient stuff in there, like that pasta sauce from 4 years ago, freezer burn chicken breast, or seasoning packets from 2013. Toss that stuff and clear out the clutter. On the subject of things that are expired, the next thing to trash is any expired products underneath your sink. But not only things that are expired, things that you never use, right? that old sunscreen that's been there for like 6 years, hand lotion, aftershave, and really anything else that's under your sink that you don't even know you had. And while you're down there, you might consider trashing some of that old cologne that you forgot totally all about. Fragrances will eventually go bad. And if the bottles have been sitting there for like the last, decade, the fragrance has probably changed. It won't smell the same as it used to, so it's probably worth getting rid of that and upgrading to a new modern fragrance. Now I want to talk about some more meaningful, important things to trash, starting with toxic people. I had to do this recently, and I talked about it in a recent video, but if somebody disrespects you and doesn't take accountability for it when you confront them about it, let that person go. If somebody talks down to you, uses you, or constantly pulls you into their own chaos, that's just dead weight. Listen, my friend, you are allowed to have standards and you're allowed to have boundaries. You're also allowed to protect your own peace. A lot of guys will keep toxic people around because they don't want to create any conflict. But the problem is that by avoiding that conflict, you're destroying your own happiness. Know your value. Nobody gets to disrespect you for free. Next, trash the idea that it's too late for you. It's not too late. You're not too old, and you're not past your prime. I have talked to enough men to know that far too many of these guys mentally quit in their 40s. They settle, and they just stop trying. They assume that the best days are behind them. That is BS. You can build a better body at 50 than you had when you were 30. You can upgrade your style at any age if you want to. You can reinvent your career, your dating life, your friendships, and of course your confidence. Life is far from over, my friend. You're just getting started. Now this next one is huge, and you need to trash the belief that you're not good enough. Trash the idea that you don't deserve better clothes, or better opportunities, or better relationships, or a better life. You don't need permission to improve your life. You don't need to earn the right to be good to yourself. You just have to decide that you've had enough of the old you. The thing is this, man, dead weight takes up room that should belong to better things, better people, and better experiences. And listen, if you made it this far, you, my friend, are one of the true legends. So hit the like button to let me know you made it. Thank you so much for watching. Live well, and I hope to see you in the next one.